but for me this is my OG project. Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to see products under 1000 rupees. It's going to be a huge Nykaa haul. So grab your snacks and sit for this video. If you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. We have a lot to cover, so everything is in this box. So in this video, it's combination of skincare, hair care, makeup, lip care, whatnot. So let's start with the first item which I see in this box is this. So this is Laneige cream skin refiner. So this is my OG product. This is my second or third bottle actually, because first bottle I tried it as a sample, I think 80 ml bottle. So and this is 150 ml bottle, and this is the only product which crosses the budget, which is 1850. So yeah, apart from this, everything else is under 1000 rupees, so not to worry. So this is our first product. I picked up skincare, so let's continue with the skincare only. And this is Korean brand. Your skin will love this formula. And also a disclaimer, before you try any new products, please do a patch test. Always try to buy sample size ones, so that you know whether your skin will love this or not. So our next product is this, which is L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Serum. So this is the product which I'm buying for the first time, because I've used hyaluronic acid in different sunscreens or in the moisturizers, but as it is like has a hyaluronic acid, I've not tried it. 1.5% hyaluron serum, which plumps and hydrates, reduces fine lines -60%. So the texture of this is watery, but a bit thick than water. I think it looks like, you know, hydrated. Smells, it don't smell divine. I've also heard that hyaluronic acid is not for everyone, so let me try this. This is my first time buying this product, so hope for the best. And stay tuned for the update. I might do a short to review the products which I'm trying for the first time. And our next product is from Plum, which is niacinamide face serum with rice water and amino acid complex, which is 30 ml product. And even niacinamide suits my skin, but the thing is I've only tried niacinamide toner from Dot & Key. You might have seen, if you are following me from the beginning, you know which toner I use. So that is niacinamide, and that works like a wonder for my skin. But this I wanted to try for the first time, as it is infused with rice water. As my skin is sensitive, not all the products, at least not all the top rated products, will not suit my skin. That is there, so I'll have to try this one. So yeah, this is my first time purchase as well. The bottle looks like this. The texture is thick, bit it's not exactly thick. See, this is how it looks. I think it gives you that hydration as well. Yeah, this is the product. And our next skincare product is from the brand called Ordinary. So it's in peeling solution. So this product is exfoliating solution. So 15 ml. Look at the color. I'm not going to apply this, but it's bright red. This is my second bottle. I like this formula pretty well. So I started using this peeling mask for the first time using Dot & Key's peeling mask, which I liked by the way, and I don't have the bottle to show. And then I started with this ordinary product, and it's good. It's amazing. Next product is, I have bunch of sunscreens, where this is my OG sunscreen. As you all know, I love this product so much, and now they have also changed the packaging and the ingredients, which I can see the difference. So it works well for me, the old product and this new product as well, both. And this is for restocking purpose, and I can't tell you how much I love this product. I think I'm using this from past 5-6 years, maybe more than that. Yeah, this is my product. See, I always try to buy different sunscreens because I want to change, I want to explore the sunscreen. But whenever I buy, either it gives me acne, or it gives white cast, or it gives I don't know, I don't like the feel of that particular sunscreens on my face. So I always have this handy. Even if some other sunscreen goes wrong, I always have this. So this is for restocking purpose. And then my next product is this sunscreen, which is Dot & Key's Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. So again, this I'm using for the first time. Two OG sunscreens. One is this is from past like 5, 6, 7 years, and the one more sunscreen from past 2 years. So that is also from Dot & Key, which is Cica one. I'll just pop the image here. So that product is amazing. I like it. I mean, the range of that perfectly suits my skin. The toner, the moisturizer, and the sunscreen is best for my skin. And also have one more product in that range. I'll show that in a while. So this sunscreen, I'm trying this for the first time, and yes, it gives me cooling effect when I apply it, and this is amazing. This don't gives you white cast, but yeah, one thing, if you ask me whether I prefer this over Cica range and the Neutrogena one, no, I don't. But this is good moisturizer. This is good sunscreen, I can say. My next sunscreen is this, which is Dot & Key's Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen. This I'm trying for the first time. Hopefully it works well for my skin. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, this is one more product. Our next skincare product is this. This is Dot & Key's Cica Clear Spot Correction Gel. Okay, about this is my second tube. First tube I've used. So you can see, I don't know whether you can see it now, but my skin had flared up, and I tried this. Usually when I was small, I used to use Himalaya spot treatment, where it used to give me dark spots. Yes, it used to dry my acne or pimple, but it used to give me dark spots. But niacinamide will actually helps to reduce the pigmentation on your skin, and also shrinks the size of the pores. So that toner used to help me. But for the flare up, the pimples which I got was, I knew it was difficult for me to get rid of those pimples easily without leaving a mark. So then while researching, I got this product and used it as well, and it works like wonder. Like if the pimple is severe, then it takes 2 to 3 days. Like after, in the morning and the evening, you have to wash your face and apply this on the pimple spot treatment, and then it will be gone. 1, 2, 3, maximum 3 days it will be gone. It will also treat the dark spots. I also used to use pimple patches, but when this entire region was affected, and how many pimple patches should I put? Like in one sheet you get, 10, and it was more than 10 in this small area. So this helped me. So yeah, I love this product. And then what else do we have? So I also got this free product from Nykaa. prep makeup face primer. I mean, I've already used this, it works well. So yeah, this is the free product, which is 7 grams. Next up, let's do makeup. We have only 2 products. So one is this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This I have heard about this concealer, but this is the first time. As the range of the shades of this product was less, I've never tried this, but this is my first time trying this. You can see how well it concealed, and which is perfect match for my skin. I've tried many, and this gave me that that comfort. So yeah. So this is our next product, and you might have seen in my previous videos where recently I've been obsessed with banana powder. Once you start using translucent powder, you're not going back to any other powders, and once you start using banana powder, you're not even going back to translucent powder. That is what I felt. I've been obsessed with this banana powders recently. So you might have already seen my sugar banana powder, which I use it, which I just keep it in my office bag. So yeah, and I bought this one, which is from Mica Matte to Last Pore Blurring Loose Powder. And more than compacts, I also like I like loose powders, which is easy to work with. See, because of this, I bought this product, and also which is like banana powder. So yeah. That makes sense. Let's open this. So you can apply powder like this. Look how professional it looks. Yeah, I have a triangle puff. So this is the packaging. Look at this. I like the packaging. It is matte finish, and yeah. So yeah, this one. So this exactly looks like pack powder, loose powder packaging inside. So yeah, I love banana powders. So next up, we are moving to lips, lip care, and a few lipsticks. One is this. You might have already seen. Minimalist Lip Balm is my OG product. The old packaging was glass box one. While I was purchasing this time, I couldn't see that it's out of stock, and I couldn't see it. I couldn't find it anywhere else. Neither Amazon nor Nykaa, Tira, anywhere. I couldn't find that, and instead of that, I found this. So which also helps in reducing the pigmentation on your lips. So yeah. Let's see that. So this is how it looks like. I mean, the packaging is cleaner compared to the old stuff. Sometimes, I didn't understand the smell of this. Sometimes it feels like some chemical, like, that product like, and other time I feel it cocoa powder smell, and I exactly don't know how it smells. So yeah, the formula looks the same. The texture, the cream, the on the lips, how thick it sits, and how well it moisturizes your lips. Everything stays same, but in a different way. So yeah. So and next I have 2 lipsticks. One is from Prausch, this one. And the shade is High Tea 110. High Tea. So then, oh my god, look at the packaging. Can you even believe this is under 1000 rupees? The packaging looks so luxurious. I mean, they have their brand name here. I don't know whether you can see this, but yeah. Look at this. What a pretty shade. I mean, this looks amazing on my skin tone. I mean, in other brands also I've used the shade similar to this, which is like a plum brown mix shade. I don't know, but look at this. This is matte. Okay. and it glides like a cream. This product is amazing, I am telling you. Long wear, weightless formula, matte finish, non-drying on your lips, which is matte finish, but it's not matte when you're applying. You know, matte lipsticks will dry your lips, or while even applying it, it's just rough. It's rough on your lips. This one glides smoothly, and which has creamy texture, and I'm sure you know, see, it looks matte, but it's see, it's creamy still, it's not dry. So yeah, this is good. And how much is this, by the way? This retails for rupees 650. Can you even believe this is for 650? Look at the packaging, how rich it looks, how luxurious it looks. And you must be thinking, what lip shade is Mona wearing? Now, right now, I'm wearing this one by Nykaa. The shade is Gossip Dose. The shade is Gossip Dose, and which is cream lipstick. This lipstick doesn't look that red. I mean, it looks kinda maroon or something. On my lips, it's looking something different. I mean, in the red only, the shade is something different. Not exactly this shade it's looking, but yeah. So this is what. And after that, we are left with body care, hair care. So in body care, I have only one product, which is this. This is my third bottle. Initially when I bought this, they used to have the packaging, the bottle packaging, and then from my second purchase it is this only. And again, the packaging of this has changed. This is from Chemist at Play with essential ceramides, which has 4% retinol, niacinamide and Zemia. So Zemia or Zemia, so which age defense body lotion. So I don't know whether which is age defense or no, but this is thick body lotion. You should use this at night because retinol, so obviously you are not using it for day body care. So yes, and this is my third tub, and I'm going to repeatedly buy this. So I don't know, this statement will justify how good is this product. That's what I can tell. So this is the restocking. And our last two products. So first thing, I take care of my hair very well. I oil alternate days, and I take head bath alternate days. So I think I'm pretty much sorted. I actually didn't want to, you know, use any other product, as my hair and the health of my scalp or hair is already good. I didn't want to try anything, but one of my colleagues suggested me this product. I've also seen this. I watched the ads and the videos, and you know, I've seen fellow creators raving about this product, but I've never tried this. Because of my colleague, I was like, okay, let me try this for once. So that product is from Pilgrim, which is Korean product again. Secrets of Jeju Island. They claims this product helps in advanced hair growth. I don't know whether it's the product or what, but I can see the baby hair growth. You can see here also, I can see the baby hair growth. I've used this. I mean, I'm not even using this that regularly, but still I've used one bottle. This is my second bottle. So I wanted to try this bottle as well. So then I'll get to know whether it's the product or it's just me. So yeah, that's how I started using this product, which is like air serum. You have to wash your hair. To the clean scalp, you have to apply using dropper. The last and final product is hairspray. Again, I don't use any chemicals on my hair. That is for sure. I maintain this. I don't even use you know, straighteners, dryers on regular basis. I always hair dry it. But this one I desperately wanted to try. I actually don't like the concepts of dry shampoo because I received this product yesterday and I applied this and I couldn't see. Yes, I agree the greasy texture won't be there, but your hair won't be that soft. Like my hair is soft, and when I applied this, it kind of dried what I feel. I mean, it's supposed to do the same, I guess, but it never leaves your hair that smooth anymore. But yeah, I don't know. But anyways, for like, you know, I'm not saying myself using chemicals on my hair for like, you know, on regular basis. But if it is needed, if it is like emergency for like, you know, 5 to 10 minutes, and for 5 to 10 minutes I can't take head bath, so I can use this, I guess. So yeah, with this product the video comes to an end. If you have made it till here, then comment down which is your favorite skincare. It doesn't have to be from here, it can be anything which you have recently found or your OG products. And also comment White Heart. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things that you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.